Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. It is so good to have you here. So by the title you already know what I'll be doing. Today I'm going to show you how I recreate these heart-shaped meringue lollipops compared to the ones I did last year. If you have not yet seen those, I'll put the place card above so you can check it out and tell me which one you believe is better. I believe these are much better, still could be improved, but we aren't always gonna get perfection when it comes on to recipes. But I'm getting better at it, wouldn't you agree? Anyways, let's get this show on the road.
Love is in your soul, your price is higher than gold.
So this is my usual meringue recipe, but the only difference is I decided to cut it in half, so instead of the usual 2 egg whites, I use 1. And a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. I decided to add some lime juice to cut the raw taste of the egg, and that's what happened when you're trying to look good for the camera by throwing a lime, thinking I would catch it but didn't. And a pinch of salt. Can't forget your salt. One thing I don't like about water-based food coloring is that the color that you want initially won't come out unless you had more of it. So a gel food coloring would be more suitable in this case, because the more you add a water-based food coloring into your meringue, it will deflate the mixture, let me tell you, based on experience. So if you're following me, please use a gel food coloring just to avoid your meringue from deflating, so your meringue won't flop. So this is my second attempt in the new year trying to pipe out a heart-shaped meringue, because you know, if you watch my video of the last meringue video I did of me doing a heart-shaped meringue, it did not come out as I wanted it to. So this is the second attempt since the year started, and let me tell you, I still wasn't doing a good job. I guess because I'm using a Ziploc bag, I don't have the correct piping bags. Guys, please see with me, as a small YouTuber, as a girl that's an amateur, still learning in this baking thing. I still lack the equipment and tools. I'm slowly getting them, slowly but surely, if God's will. So I have to make do with what I have, and they don't always work. So I know this is going to look horrible, but I'm gonna fix that using my cookie cutter. Sorry. So basically I have a heart-shaped cookie cutter which I'm going to put on the stick and then fill it up just like that. I didn't get to show you guys how I did it, but simply put the cookie cutter on the straws and then pipe them out until it's full, and then remove the cookie cutter, and then I get the shape of the heart. And ta-da! This is how they look. It's not perfect, guys, but it's still pretty to me. So tell me what you think in the comment section. So this is how I get my heart-shaped meringue lollipop. This one broke, sadly. So yeah, this is the video for today. If you have made it so far, if you watched all the video, I'm so appreciative. I'm so thankful. Thank you so much. Tell me in the comments also what else you'd like me to bake. And yeah, until next time, bye. Bye guys.